In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and choose Screen Lock. Following that, tap on one of those login methods to pick a perfect one for you. Swipe, pattern, PIN, or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever. Just this padlock animation. So if I were you, I would go with one of those. Let's, for example, click on pattern. Here you can create it, and if you made a mistake or change your mind, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. Then choose next at the bottom right one. Repeat your login method to confirm it and hit confirm. Now you need to answer this question by clicking on one of those options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content? Show sensitive content only when unlocked? Or don't show notifications at all? Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!